To check your transaction history on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you easily access and review your past transactions. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Transactions. From the menu options, select Transactions or Transaction History to view a list of all your past transactions. Step 4. Review Transaction Details. Browse through the list of transactions. You can tap on any specific transaction to see more details, such as the date, amount, and merchant information. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If needed, use the filter or search options to find specific transactions by date or amount, making it easy to locate what you need. Now you can easily keep track of your spending and manage your finances through Samsung Pay.